Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. Well, I sit here this morning thinking about, back to that old thought process that I like to use. What are the markets telling us? And especially, what is the bond market telling us? You look at the indice markets. I mean, the Dow was up 76 yesterday, and it's due to open another 30, 40, 50 higher this morning. And over that same 2-day period, the Treasury bonds are actually unchanged to just a little bit higher. So what is the bond market telling us? I think the bond market is telling us that that something stinks out there, and that stench is going to be coming from these either out of Greece, out of Europe, but it will spill over into the indice markets. So I received buy signals in the indices yesterday. I actually received a sell signal in the 10-year. What's the 10-year this morning? It's down a couple of ticks. If you sold them last night, say thank you very much and have them back. The indices are, the SPOs are 5 handles higher, NASDAQ's up 7 points, and the Dow futures are up 40. So if you did buy those last night, say thank you very much, because personally, in 15 minutes, I believe that the indices will open higher. And I don't believe it. I know they're going to open higher, and I think the boys are going to come in, and they've been looking at the bond market, and they're going to sell them. So that doesn't mean that they're going to drive them, 100 lower today, but I do believe that you can sell these markets this morning and make some money on the scalp. We're obviously waiting till later this afternoon, early this evening, to see what happens with Greece, and there's meetings going on in Europe at the moment, so there could be news out through the course of the day which could affect the markets. But at this time, I believe we're playing a waiting game with Treasuries a little bit lower. I think you close your eyes and buy them, and with the indices higher, I think you close your eyes and sell them. I got out, unfortunately, as I see this morning. The hogs and the cattle are higher still, but I did take my profits yesterday, and that was for me a very nice trade. So if these indice markets turn around today, the short currencies I have on, I feel, will also turn around, and I think we could finally see that little correction in the meats. But I am looking to buy those again. But one day at a time, one trade at a time. I think today will be sort of a waiting game on the Greeks, but with indice markets opening higher, I'd like to sell them. So it's my job to have a view. That's what I think. This is Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. You have a great day. Cheers.